In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fundraising presentation in Prezi. Whether you're gearing up for a big event or just starting to gather support for your cause, a compelling presentation can make all the difference. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Prezi account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to sign up, and once you're in, you'll want to open a new presentation. Starting fresh provides a clean slate to work with, giving you the space to bring your fundraising vision to life. Next, you'll be choosing a template. Prezi offers a wide variety of inspiring and professional templates, so take some time to browse through them. Look for one that aligns both with the nature of your fundraising effort and your audience's expectations. The right template will serve as a strong foundation for the rest of your presentation. Now, let's add a main topic. This is crucial. It's where you'll want to introduce your fundraising campaign with a clear and direct name or goal. This component sets the tone for the entire presentation, so make it engaging and straightforward. A compelling main topic captures attention and drives home the essence of what you're trying to achieve. Under your main topic, you'll create a series of subtopics. These subtopics are like the chapters of your story. Consider creating sections for the mission, the problem, the solution, and the impact. Each of these should offer deeper insight, laying out your rationale and passion for the fundraising initiative. Provide a narrative that perfectly balances the heart and mind. To truly emphasize why your cause matters, insert images, videos, and engaging stories. Visuals and personal anecdotes can make your message more relatable and memorable. They help your audience feel connected to the people or issues at the heart of your fundraising campaign. When dealing with numbers, clarity is key. Add charts or numbers to succinctly display your goals, funding needs, or expected results. This will ground your presentation in reality, providing tangible evidence of your planning and objectives. Clarity in data presentation reassures your audience of your project's feasibility and urgency. Another powerful tool in Prezi is the zoom path. Use this feature to guide your audience through the presentation. The smooth transition not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps logically and emotionally structure your message. As your narrative unfolds, they will seamlessly follow along, absorbing the story you wish to tell. And that's how you create a fundraising presentation in Prezi. With these steps, you're well on your way to crafting an impactful presentation that can garner the support and enthusiasm your cause deserves. Remember, the key is to stay clear, passionate, and connected to your audience. Good luck with your fundraising endeavors, and I hope you found this guide helpful.